Raheem dead, somebody shot. Hakeem broke, somebody robbed. The team up, they know we got it. The fiends know just how we rock it. Beams on us, what's the problem? The king of the fucking project. 6 rings on, I feel like 23. My life like Liberace.
What's up, man? It's your boy Dill. We back again with another video. Today, I'm taking y'all to the range with me. I'm taking out this bad boy. This is my first time shooting it. My little 5.56 ARP, 7-inch barrel.
You think you're a man with a gun in your hand, don't you?
Can't go into the specifics, cause shoot, I'm thinking about starting a gun channel. So y'all let me know in the comments if I should and if y'all want to see more of this. The second gun I'm taking out there, Glock 43X. Just got the little optic on there right now. And then we got green tip 5.56s. You already know how we rocking. Put a hole in the bitch.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal.
We got some FMJs. We got some hollow points for the Glock, and then we got some FMJs. So yeah, man, we finna pack all this up. We finna go meet my boy Cam, then we gonna link up with some of his boys, and then we finna head out to the range.
I'm going to take the gun out of the bag with the muzzle pointed down range, finger off the trigger.
Damn, Jeff.
Ceasefire! When you hear a ceasefire, immediately take your finger off of the trigger, bring your elbows down to your side while keeping the muzzle pointed down range, and then wait for instructions from the range safety officer.
This shit boring as hell.
Go ahead and watch your action. Firearm safety.
That's so easy, like imagine getting shot and then stabbed right after.
Did we shoot those? Oh, excuse me. Do I need one if I'm not shooting as well?
You trying to walk in the range?
Yeah.
You ain't going in there with that camera though.
That's cool.
I can tell you that already. Yeah. Anybody walking in the range have to do that.
Yeah, he can't record in there, so yeah, he recording from outside. Can't get in the club.
But it's okay, it's all for safety reasons.
What Chris Brown said? You gotta hate from outside because you can't get in the club.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Just get B-roll the hell of guns and shit, so we can just throw some shit in the news.
Hey, what should we shoot though, man?
What can we read?
We don't get one. We gotta get one. I think we should get an AK.
Hey, we can shoot the SK.
It's on cam, man. I think they should get around.
Top right.
Yeah, we do gotta get some crazy shit. Not no regular shit. All might go crazy.
Should we do the hog chat? Show them the hog. Let me show them the hog real quick. Should we do it? I don't know.
They got the little AK down there with the fat ass mag. You see?
That's a classic.
What's that?
Yeah, last time we got some pistols, bro. One of them bitches range, dog. You gonna die with them bitches.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal.
I was gonna say, yeah, because I gotta go to both ranges anyway.
Blow some rods.
I got no Diddy.
What you said the wait list for the
About 20 minutes now. She said it should be
about 20. Y'all want to do the dog? I want you to
I'll hold it to the side. Whenever she gets you a lane ready, I'll make sure you get it.
Okay, I bet we grab some of those. We got 5 runners without that.
So she's got one long gun lane. So
okay, yeah.
If you guys
want to do it right now,
you only allow 2 people per lane, but
it's only 2 people per range.
you can always swap in and out though.
Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, I'm in that.
AK?
Damn, I'm trying to decide what I want to do. I kind of want to do the AK too.
Just bring that one in. Bring that one in with y'all. Y'all set it up for the two. Just leave it in there long.
Oh, that look like a little 300 blackout.
Just take that over there to her and let her get you checked in.
Let's go to her.
Get checked in with that bitch.
You caught me spearing off. Is this somebody's card?
Alright, we only have a 4-shooter.
I need everybody's range card, please.
Range card.
Long gun, any round guns that you have, I need those too. That is not allowed on the board,
Do we put this on the counter?
please.
Alright.
Is it? Please spell it out.
K-A-M-E-N.
K-A-M-E-N?
Yes, ma'am.
Man, where'd my car go? I'll leave my shit over there. You got your card, Dill?
And in the lane with you, Ron.
I'm gonna have him in the lane with me.
What's his name?
Bryson.
Bryson. Like you're not even standing there, right?
You like shooting guns?
I must.
What's the biggest gun you ever shot?
45-70.
Wow.
I've got 345s, 3 9s, a 38, 122, a 25.
Oh yeah.
A 20 gauge, a 410 shotgun, an AR, and a 22 lever action.
Through that front door.
This is the original Swiss cheese.
Okay.
So 7.62s are $19 a box for 20. How many would you like?
Can I get a box of 7.62?
Plus you'll get 20% off of it.
All right. Make sure you see me at that.
Okay, now there was another handgun somewhere.
Can I get some 9mm? Some boxes of 9mm?
And it comes with 2 targets per lane.
We'll get that deal too, right?
Yeah, that's all 5. Oh, just send me a for the lane.
I got cash.
Alright,
I'm good with it too. If you want.
Put me in that list. I like cash too.
We're all doing good with that, I'll tell you.
Yeah, you know,
Okay,
you know you got payments, Kathy, for that.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
If
How
I'm
many
on
views
video,
you
buddy,
get?
I'm gonna bring that camera. So
How many views you get, Dill?
Shit, I don't even know. Like, I can't even tell you that. Like,
Dill. How many views you get?
How many views I get? We still going up. We still counting right now.
What's your average?
Trying to see. I just started. I only got like 1 video up right now.
stop the cap.
Okay. Yeah.
So how much ammo you want to pay?
How much nine ammo did I get?
I got 2 boxes. And then I got the box of
This is nice.
6.2.
Oh no, honey, this is 5 by 6.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, boy. That's that big shit.
What do you mean by that?
Let me know.
Yeah, 2 boxes of 5.5.
What you want? I
already got ammo.
Straight.
Okay, so who is not going out? You're gonna look through the window. Sure, Bert, I'm pretty sure of that. Okay, 16 and 18, folks.
16 and 18, folks. Let's do it.
Work that shit. It's the same setup as your fucking training shit on God, bro. Shit fell off the motherfucking shit. He's already pushed that shit back. Niggas already fucking up. We ain't even start shooting shit.
Thanks for all you do. We're gonna have a good day.
Where do I look? What you doing?
Cardboard.
No, you don't get one. He has to stand out there with you and hold that. He's trying to hold on to the camera.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I left all of my stuff in my other car right now.
See you all in a minute. been shooting on target, all chest shot, all head shot, 15 on everything, boy. I'm a real shooter. Get the fuck, come on. We finna do a little shooting contest. We got these targets right here. We got them targets right there. We finna see who can shoot the best, who get them all on target, who get in the X the most.
You gotta work on your homeboy out there. Put that on tape. You gotta work on your homeboy out there jumping, scared. In the white. He out there jumping. What you shot? You in the range and you jumping? Like you ain't supposed to hear a gunshot.
Tell him. We can say it. Man, yeah, we finna get this competition going in a second. We still warming up. Don't need mom on my lips. I know them shit's probably crusty as hell. But hell yeah.
He missed them all.
Now you know, but I was gonna get one. Some people have looking, some people they search it.
Alright, back to Buddy right here, man. See what he got going on.
That's why a lot of
This one or this one?
We got him.
Yeah, that boy Dill got kicked out.
Knock some shit loose, you feel me? And they still going in there. Thought we was done. Thought we was done. Hold on. Yeah, I thought they was finna come through the door on me, bruh.
Buddy called you jumpy.
Nah, that ain't what happened. That ain't what happened. It's just, I wasn't ready, that's all. That's all. What he came out here and say though?
He said, hey, bro, get your man in a white coat. He over there jumpy. What he scared for? He came to a gun range.
And nobody was scared. Nobody was scared.
Yeah.
Hey. Bro, you seen it. It's on camera. Ain't nobody was scared. I was scared in there, bro. Huh? I was scared in there.
Hey, that 12 gauge do something to your shoulder, man.
Nah, it do. It cut into you a little bit.
It would have been a bad day for a nigga. I ain't gonna lie, I would have dogged my shit jammed.
I'm tired now.
Too tired. And that sweating.
Hell of shit. What we gotta do now?
Pay.
Thank you. You're welcome. You're more than welcome to come back again. Right.
Yeah, that's that one right there.
Oh, I was gonna say
the monkey right here.
It's Tyson years. So it's always
Shit, I seen a couple school shooters in here.
not every song. We have this guy out here, but it's always crazy.
It's great.
Oh!
I got a Groupon too. I'll view the voucher.
Might have to pull up on the app right there.
Yeah, you sent me the bread for that already.
Oh, I don't want to be in no picture, bro. I ain't signed no waiver.
Nah, you good, you good, you good.
Not the waiver. The boy said he only had 30 followers, but that was good.
Yeah.
That one there was a violation.
Yeah, you straight, man. Nah, a year from now,
Nah,
that's gonna be different.
Give me like 3 months.
How much?
Going up.
How much you gonna have 3 months?
3 months. Probably like we got here.
How many?
Band in like a month.
1,500. Shit, you can buy a band right now. All you gotta do is just get on it.
That's why we putting in the work. You know, getting our content. Thank you.
We getting there. It's 35, 55 left. And they denied that one. Damn.
You're broke!
That's like a sprained ankle right there. That ain't
My shit wasn't on
not a decline, boy. That's like a sprained ankle. Ain't nothing to even fuck with.
Say a little bit loud.
Bankrupt.
Card decline.
Bankrupt.
On that card.
Ugly ass. No money on my card.
Utter bankruptcy. Alright, 35, 55. Somebody getting jugged. You got 75, 40, 35.
Hey.
Math ain't mathing on this. Math ain't. My boy trying to throw it all, don't even know what the math is.
How much you pay, bro?
I think $10.
How much you pay, cuz?
I think my boy getting out scot-free. My boy said he raiding y'all's pocketbook real quick.
Look, 55, 90, 150.
He's smooth operating on that.
Look, everybody sent me 40. I said, that's 120.
Shit, that's 200. Y'all got 5 of them. Ain't no hold on about it, bro. That's not good. 40 50 times 5.
Nah, the group thing together was
40 sound about right. I ain't gonna lie.
for the 5. It was 100. It was 100 and something.
You're gonna be 40 straight, cause when I come in by myself, that shit was like 80.
Alright, here we go. We can see how much.
Yeah, let me see
Can we
that.
look at this in the car?
Nah.
Yeah.
Nah.
Y'all gotta sort that out right there.
Put that all on video.
They said we some bro niggas.
Alright, man. Y'all have a good day too.
Damn. Damn, lacking. I swear around the corner.
Nice.
Left the Glock on the counter.
When we hooping, what's up with the hoops?
Man, y'all can't hoop.
I know y'all heard me, bro. Y'all ducking. Oh, he still. Wait. He finna say some bullshit.
He owed me money.
For real?
What? Cause that was for the ammo. You owe me the money for the lane too. I paid for the lane earlier. Look, bro, I paid for the lane earlier.
So you paid 100 earlier before
107
for the tickets to get in.
Yeah, to get in. So we all this.
Right.
Yeah,
right,
this
right.
is just straight
So
ammo.
That's what I said. Usually when I come, that shit be sick.
The 150.
That was just for the ammo we bought in there.
So 150. So it's 250 between the four.
How much you want? I didn't need.
Back at the crib. Great day.
Some dope.
Great day at the range. Told the targets up.
Out, bro. It really was that. She ran and said,
I was scared as fuck. I thought.
hold on. Run it back.
Yeah.
Yeah, that nigga's dope.
Did you get her when she ran in there? She said, "Oh no." I was like, "Damn, I didn't even feel like I was shooting that fast."
Nigga, look, everybody was talking. Everybody got quiet as fuck. All you heard was dook, 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 dook. Yes, bro. And she ran in
bro, it was really like, okay, I got the first shots. Because that's my first time shooting that bitch. So I was like, I got the first shots. Then I get to shoot, and I'm like, oh, this bitch smooth as fuck. Boom, 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 boom.
Well, you gotta think, that bitch is loud. That shit was louder than everything in the fucking range. So it was like, bruh.
Little ass barrel and shit.
But yeah.
Little ass barrel and shit, that shit be booming. But hell yeah, first gun range vlog and a gun channel coming soon. Yeah.
I might swerve in that corner, whoa. Bitch, hold on tight, cause I tweaking this bitch, start letting shit go. And I heard that she wanna show, me who she be, I'm kinda fucking with it, show me some more. Bitch, we tatted head to toe, could give a fuck, the story wrote, you wanna Zaza dog.